colleagues have looked at whether they pose an existential threat. As a species, we've lived through some extremely large eruptions. Certainly, they have high potential to be extremely disruptive. And of course, it's going to depend on the nature of the eruption and its location, which part of the world. And there can be all kinds of ramifications, the humanitarian side of things, economic, supply chains, transportation, infrastructure, communications, all of that can be interrupted by volcanic eruptions.